Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn Chinese characters.
路
Now watch how I pronounce it. 路
了雾路路公路公路汽车在公路上行驶，汽车在公路上行驶。小路小路山里有一条小路，山里有一条小路。路口路口我们在路口等他们。我们在路口等他们。
Now let's write this Chinese character. The left part is related to feet because people in ancient times traveled on foot. This character means the roads people walk on, public thoroughfares, and passages for carriages and horses. In Chinese culture, it also symbolizes life choices, striving forward, original aspiration, and distant dreams. This character commonly appears in Chinese life philosophies and literary works. The key to writing this character well is to nail these strokes. Okay, that's all I have to say for today. Goodbye.